Hi, hello everyone. Here are some creative pics of my little one Advik. I did a home photo shoot myself with my creative thoughts by using my elders and toys. Go ahead. Here are some pics. Hi, this is Chaitanya. I'm very happy to say that I'm blessed with a baby boy. So everyone will have a dream that taking a pics of a baby and keeping it as a memory. I have collected some memories of my little one. I missed for my elder one, or like little bit creatively I did. You can see here the pics. So I took the quick dry and I made it as a like flower and the chocolate model, something like that, and with the toys, whatever the things I was having. With that I made little bit creative with the toys, car and everything. So when most of the pics I took when the baby is sleeping, so I didn't went for shopping or in nothing. So just when the baby is sleeping, creatively what are the things I have, with that only I took. So when this is like in the second week when the baby is sleeping, I took this pic, and this is like 1 month when he the first month I took some pics with the flowers and with creatively. So this is a very easy and little there is nothing like no expensive, no need to go for shopping. Also, what are the things we have in home, the toys of the babies. So I created a pic with the car, so we can edit it, so we can make it a wonderful. See, you can see here with the collection of my elder one toys, I took a pic like this, and it was created. Or with the blanket I took like a pic like this. You can see only the head of my little one. And here I took the even the dresses also. I didn't went for any shopping. It is my elder son's dresses, everything I kept for a memory, without without plan. Little one blessed with the god's blessings, so somehow it used. And here you can see a little Krishna, very lovely pic. I love this a lot. Just I made it as a creative with the leaves. I made it as a 1 month with the leaves. And you can see here when he's sleeping, when he's laughing, I took the pics only with the flute sticks. I made as a one and symbol as a 1 month, and I took a pics. I took a little cow and I kept as a some little decorative. And when he's sleeping on a pillow, I took this picture. It's a lovely picture, I loved a lot. And this one with the vegetables, I took some pics for the second month. You can see here I used tomatoes and I used drumsticks and brinjal. You can see when I used tomatoes with the two, it was very colorful and lovely. The color was too good. And I used toys, some pics creatively with the chocolate. If the month is second, I kept as a second with the chocolates, number two. And I used towel as a love symbol. I use this, you can see in the picture, LOVE with the and I use my shawl, red color shawl. When he's sleeping, most of the pics that I took when he's sleeping. So you can see here L. So with his towel I make as a L, and O when he's sleeping, and V, the letter V you can see here next pic. And so I made like LOVE, love, pics creatively. So when the baby is sleeping, most of the pics I took. And with the shawl I made as a love symbol, and I took some pics. And I used some apps B612, and I used some colorful pics I took like this. And even when sleeping, I collected a pic like number 2, as it's the second month. And I used some again some chocolates here, and pillow and car. So mostly toys only I used. So I thought this, why we had to waste the money. We can take the memorable pics with the things what we have in home. So here you can see some pics that before like when I'm going to dress him, I took some pics when he's sleeping, when he's playing. I used to do torture. You can see I didn't edited this pics, just I did like this. You can see some of the pics here that which I was torturing my little one, but maybe in future he will be happy by seeing this all these pics. So here are some of my pics. Little Krishna in yellow dress, before you see in white dress. Here you can see my elder one and the little one, Raksha Bandhan from her sister. And this is the pic which I loved a lot, that I wrote an article. Because of writing an article, I took this picture, like a new style, how a mother life will be. And here are some pics that you can see which are taken in the like 1 month, when my little one is 1 month back. Thank you. Thanks for watching.